can't do
I'm joking
well, I don't know. You're German now. I don't think you can joke.
And the recording started. Hello and welcome to this week's platform meeting. It's October the 19th. We have a few things on the agenda, and this is probably going to be a short meeting. All right. We don't have anything in the roundtable section. Anybody? Is there
actually, yeah. I'll add something to that. I wanted to say that, so given that next week is Thanksgiving in the United States, and that both me and Will are going to be gone all week, and there's some other PTO happening next week as well, SUMO's entering a change freeze starting now, starting today, that lasts all through next week. So that means that we're going to avoid making any changes to the site until November 30th, unless it is absolutely needed. And this way we can avoid problems while no one is around to take care of them.
Thanks for the update, Mike. Any questions, guys? Or comments? Okay. And yeah, so of course, if we have an emergency, then we can still react to that. But we shouldn't create an emergency. So that makes sense.
Yes, not making emergencies would also be appreciated.
Yeah, I probably didn't word that right. I'll feel free to edit, Mike.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. With that, we can move on to the roadmap items. So, the pad is loading for me. It's really slow. Sorry, just a moment. All right. The first item we have is the unified Ask a Question page. So we actually had that almost done, but there were a few things that we wanted to fix, and we got QA from Rebecca, and she actually pointed those things out, which I love, by the way, and I'm really happy that she is with us now, and yeah, helping us out with new features. So there were a few things that she actually caught that we're going to fix, and then we can hopefully roll this out next week to users. We have a toggle that we can use to send more or less traffic. We also have yeah, we do have what's it called? Event tracking in place, so we will be able to tell whether this is working better or worse than what we already have there. I couldn't actually check out what the current status of this is. Mike, Edwin isn't working very well, but maybe you do have an update there?
All of the bugs we had before should be merged and deployed now, including the image uploading. All of the bugs that were filed from QA we haven't worked on yet, as far as I know.
All right. Do you think still that we will be able to get it done this week, so we can start testing it with users next week?
Well, we won't be able to make any changes to the production site until after next week. So
that's the hard freeze.
Yes. I plan on not touching the deploy tool until November 30th. So any code changes at all would be blocked.
Okay. That's really too bad.
Yeah.
Oh well. actually the next step is. Okay, then the mobile article page, I think it was just a search thing and we had already pushed that, right?
Yeah, that should
Too
be.
bad that one isn't working.
Yeah, let's see what it's doing. Seems to be working for me, I think.
Oh, it is? It's just not loading for me at all.
Yeah, it might be the Bugzilla is overloaded again. That's what it was last time for me.
But then at least Edwin itself should load, right? Just not the bugs.
Yeah, that's it's going very slowly. That's very strange.
Okay.
I will look into that.
I think that was already pushed, so we could actually say that this is done.
Yeah, I don't know of any pending code that's been written but not deployed.
All right. So the next step would be for Rebecca to QA this. I don't think she has actually worked on this, so I'll make sure that she knows about this and that this is user-facing.
Okay.
All right. Then we have the KPI dashboard. We have started. We've put the first user story in our backlog. It's the retention chart. So we will have the unified retention chart on the KPI dashboard and the broken down KPI charts on the metrics community health page. So that is moving forward. And hopefully by next week we will also have the rest of the bugs as user stories. We can start working on those as soon as the retention one is done. Alright. And then we have the article helpfulness, but that's not, I don't think we've had progress there yet. It's not on our agenda for this quarter anyway. It's for next quarter. But the next steps there are the mockups, and I think Joni was really busy the last week, so I don't think we moved forward there. But that's alright. There is no rush for this one. Alright, that's what we have. That's the roadmap. Almost done with the AQ now. Feels like a never-ending story, but that's because we've worked on another thing, on a lot of other things in between, especially with Buddy Up. That's not showing up here anymore because it's done. Yeah. All right. Any questions, comments, feedback, anything to talk about for the roadmap? If not, then that's the platform meeting. A very short one this week. And hope to see you all again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you.